Hi students, my name is Amanda Weria and I'm the Manufacturing Support Manager at Webco Plastics. We are so excited that you are able to join us virtually for Manufacturing Month as we celebrate all of the wonderful creators and creations that have helped to improve our communities and our lives. On the postcard included in your creator kit, you'll find several QR codes that you can scan with your phone, or you can enter our link to our YouTube channel on your computers. There are 2 virtual tour videos for you to watch that will explain what we do at Webco Plastics and a little bit more about who we are. There's also a video featuring one of our team members who'd love to tell you about his manufacturing journey. We hope you all take the time to watch these videos in class or at home with your families. We truly believe that everyone is a creator at heart, and we want to see what you and your imagination can create with the wiki sticks included in your kits. We had a little fun in the office with these, and so far we ended up with a beautiful rose, a little container, a bracelet, a pair of glasses, and we aren't really sure what this is, but that's the best part about being a creator. You get to define your own creation. Use the link on your postcard to upload a picture of your creation, as well as a little bit more information about it. We'll be giving away 3 Amazon gift cards as prizes to the most creative inventor, our next-gen problem solver, and the biggest out-of-the-box thinker. So throw on your thinking cap and get started. We can't wait to see what you will create.